about lateral surface area, but we're going to be talking about lateral surface area of a cylinder. Okay? So when you think of lateral surface area, it is what is around the object. So think of a Pringles can. Okay? So the wrapping around that Pringles can will be the measurements for your lateral surface area. Okay? So first thing you need to do anytime you have a math problem that deals with a formula is to what? Write your formula. So your formula for lateral surface area, we're going to label it LA, is 2 pi r h. Okay? So, in case we don't remember, pi is always what? We always use 3.14. R is always represented what? Your radius. And H is our what? Bingo. It's our height. So, let's look at our cylinder and let's identify what we have. So, we have this 15 here, and that is our what? Is that our radius or is that our height? 15 is our height. Okay? So, now looking at our circle, this 9 represents what? This 9 represents our radius. So now that we know those two, let's plug it in our formula. So we have LA, because we need to remember what we're solving for. We're solving for lateral surface area. We have 2. I open my parentheses. And first thing is my pi, which is 3.14. Whenever you open it, you have to close it. So I'm going to open another one just for my radius. My radius is what? 9. Okay? Close it. Open another one for my what? Height, which is 15. So, we need to pull out our calculator, right? Because we need to multiply it. Well, this is the calculator that Ms. B is going to use. Some of y'all may have the gray one, the yellow one, or using one on your computer. That is fine. All this is multiplication. Multiplying straight across. So we have 2 times 3.14 times 9 times 15. Okay? So when you multiply that out, you should have got 847.8. Okay? Don't forget your units. We used M. We're going to continue to use M. That is our final answer. So we wrote our formula. LA equals 2 pi RH. We identified our diameter and we've identified our height. So, you may be wondering, how are we going to get our radius and they didn't give us our radius? Guys, all your diameter is, you take your diameter and you divide it by 2, and guess what? That's your radius. Okay? So, our diameter is 16. When we divide that by 2, that gives us 8. Alright? So now we're going to plug in our formula. So we have LA equals 2. Pi is still 3.14. Our radius is what? 8. Our height is what? 10. So, Put that in your calculator. I'm going to get my calculator. We're going to calculate. So, you should be putting everything in. And we're going to see if you come up with the same answer that Miss B got. So when I multiplied all this out, my lateral surface area came out to equal 502.4. Again, don't forget your units. It's centimeters. Okay?